Hey, what's going on, everybody? Got another pallet video for you, but this one's going to be a sad one. This is a pallet of stuff I bought from Liquidation.com from their North Carolina location. And it is by far the biggest trash pile of crap I have ever gotten, ever. And I've probably ordered about 75 pallets now. From Liquidation.com. Some of them were fine, some of them were good. And it's literally junk. That's why I'm making this video. I feel like I have to. This bottom box, the really big one, it looks like they went through their warehouse, swept up everything, that broken off random items, and they literally threw it in a box, put it on a pallet, and now I have it. I did file the dispute over this one. I sent them lots of pictures. I said I got lots more if you want them. They did refund me a whopping $90, which I'm not happy with. I mean, it's better than nothing, I guess, but why do 90 when you know you're at fault? So, yeah, this pallet's pure crap, and I'm going to show you in each box. And I don't even know how they can get away with this. I'm super upset about this one. I had about 6 pallets from that North Carolina location, and 4 of them I had to put and file disputes on. This one, they only gave me back a partial refund. Another one, they wouldn't do anything. And then one more they did in my favor and is returning as of now. So anyways, I don't even want to open this crap, but it's in my way. It's taking up all my room in my garage. I actually had to go out and buy a pallet jack so I could move this stuff around my garage, because I literally am going to be taking almost all this to a dumpster. I'll be shocked if there's anything on here worth of value. So let's get started. I'm going to open up the boxes and show you what's inside. I'll probably be moving this camera a lot and, you know, showing you inside each box. All right, here, let's get the crap fest started. That's it. That's all that's in this box. You get the handle. Oh wow, thanks. Then you get the vacuum itself. That is missing everything. Like, what am I supposed to do with this? Like, for real. This is a return vacuum from Amazon? Yeah, right, come on now. This has obviously been picked over and they have resold the parts that are worth money. I had another pallet of vacuums that had that issue with this warehouse. There's another floor vacuum that's missing the top, which looks like I might have to part. I might be able to part out a couple of these and make them into working vacuums, possibly. As you can see, this one's got freaking who knows what dripping out of the sides and everything. Missing the top there. So yeah, not what you want to get on a pallet you paid $450 for. Just a pet swivel vacuum, I believe. A carpet cleaner. Or just a normal vacuum, I'm not even sure. Like, come on. This is obviously two handles off 2 different machines. Like, this is a box of literally random parts that they probably had laying around the warehouse. You telling me that's a vacuum? Come on. Yes, in this video I sound mad because I am mad. here we have another carpet cleaner, completely picked through. Stuff falling off everywhere. Broken. And what am I supposed to do with this crap? I bet money this thing doesn't work at all. Now what set me off is this box underneath. Be ready for that one. Okay, this is the box that, you know, I quit looking at the pallet because it's an absolute joke. Let me see if I can get a good angle as I open this. That's a legit what they sent me. I was excited because the box was so big. I thought it was going to be something big and possibly expensive. I remind you again, that's an Amazon return. This is from like a dehumidifier, trash. This is to a portable air conditioner that they bent up and threw inside that box. I mean, this is literally effing trash. I don't even know what to do with this crap. Here's the housing to an air conditioner. Some random, I mean, this is junk. Here's the top of a Brava jet. You can tell by how dirty this was. This is something that broke off in the warehouse. And they literally cleaned their floor and threw it in a box. Big fan motor to something. A water tank. God only knows what that is. Like, come on. Absolute BS. Rowenta? That's a freaking, this is a freaking, like, steam iron thingamajig for your clothes. Sun Joe's a power washer. Here's a broken power washer handle. The front of a power washer or a lawnmower. And then who knows? I mean, I don't even know what that. Some kind of machine yard tool. And then some guy finished off his M&Ms and said, "Where should I throw this?" "Oh, there's a big box over there of trash. Throw that in there. And then we'll send it to somebody." So this box is literally no value whatsoever to me. And not only would they not take it back, now I gotta deal with it. How pissed off would you guys be? Put something down in the comments if you don't mind. If you got this literal trash, how mad would you be at this company? Hope this shows through on camera how freaking disgusting this thing is. I would bet money it doesn't work. Like, look how that hose. You know, this one's complete. Sure, it's disgusting. But, I mean, yeah, the vacuums are going to be disgusting, so if this was my first box to open, I wouldn't be that mad, but it is what it is. You know, I'm about to clean it up if it works. If I test and it doesn't do anything, I'm just throwing it straight in the trash. Usually I'll try to part stuff out, but this thing's so disgusting that it's not worth my time. Cleaner. Yeah, here's another great example. Like, this is just pathetic. Yeah. Amazon return. Yeah, my ass. Missing both big jugs. Missing the handle. You can see, obviously, that has been taken apart. So someone completely took this apart, took out the good stuff that is worth money and easy to sell on eBay. Because each tank is typically $20 to $35 on eBay. I mean, trash. Nothing I can do with that one. It's missing everything. There's just a cheapo Bissell. Yeah, nice. Amazon return. So whoever messed with this one cut off the cord. Therefore, absolutely freaking useless to me. I need to find, I'm going to just go find a dumpster like I've been saying. Just have to figure out how to throw it all away. Like, come on. Here's another vacuum missing all the tanks. And then this has, I mean, look at this. It is the trash from the freaking warehouse, I'm telling you. Completely broken air purifier thing. Once again, more random crap that they just threw in a box. This is not the right vacuum. It's supposed to be blue, not green, and mixed with every other part. So here's a warning. You know, you've seen a lot of good pallets that I've gone through. You've seen a lot of crap ones. This one takes the absolute cake for crap, grossly misrepresented garbage. And I'm not going to settle for the 90 bucks. I can't. Not after going through the rest of that. Like, come on. Especially this box. This box doesn't scream trash dumpster, then I don't know what does. I cannot believe they sent this crap to me. And if they're doing it to me, you know damn well they're doing it to other customers. There's no way I'm the only one that got this putrid garbage. So, let me know down in the comments, would you buy a pallet like this? My God. Alright, well, I felt like I had to make this video. I've never been sent such garbage and such a lie ever. These are not returns. These are pick through, leftover garbage that the warehouse probably didn't want to pay dump fees, or they knew that the pallet, it would make the pallet look bigger. Then therefore you bid more. Plus it makes the pallet heavier. Therefore you're paying more in shipping, and I'm sure they probably get some kind of deal with the shipping through whoever they ship. So it's all just a lie and a ripoff from that warehouse. Don't buy from North Carolina on liquidation.com. They will send you garbage. Other warehouses I bought from Texas and Indianapolis. Indiana. And those have been fine. I haven't really had any issues. So I'm never again buying from that crap facility. All right. Now I gotta deal with all this, put it back, and have it sit in my garage for how long until they come back at me? I don't even know. What do you guys think I should do? God, what a waste. Alright, do me a favor, please. Feel sorry for me and like and subscribe. That'll make me feel a little bit better. And, you know, I got lots more good pallet videos coming. So, yeah. I have said before, you get some bad pallets, which is fine. I've had bad pallets, and I didn't complain whatsoever because it was what the items were supposed to be. But this is such a lie. It's not even funny. All right, see you guys.